Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your modders would practically build themselves.
Hello folks, it's Mad Dog Merv and welcome to the Kit Hoarder's Stash. Today we're coming to you from a little bit different spot. It's a little bit too cold outside for me to do what I need to do. So we're going to be looking at, let's see what we're going to be looking at today. Oh yeah, this here from Games Workshop. And the reason I wanted to look at this is show you guys all of the cool options that come in these Warhammer kits and why they are so expensive. It's going to put you back about 60 bucks for this, but let's take a look. So let's get right into it. All right, so we're at the what I now call the painting table because that's what I've converted it to this winter. So here is what the box looks like, and it comes with 10 of these 48 scale miniatures. And it comes with a punch card of some sort. I don't know what that's for. Again, I haven't played the game yet. I've just been building and painting miniatures and having fun doing so. But here's kind of what it comes with. Let's look at the plastic and see what kind of cool stuff we've got in there. So first off, we've got this really ominous looking envelope in here that's sealed. Ooh ah. This must be our punch tokens. Here is our destructions. And it kind of goes over the, gives you just kind of some options here for different heads. And some of the different weapons, arm combinations that you can put on the figures. And the construction of them. Again, more options on how you can arm them. That's cool. That means we're going to have extra weapons. Just imagine now a 35th scale kit that came like this. You know, imagine that you have, let's say, a U.S. Marine in 35th scale, but the options of arms and weapons and stuff you could put on him. Wow, that'd be pretty cool. So I guess I'm making a call to the rest of the industry to keep up with Warhammer. Yep, Finley's having a fun time down here in the office. This is kind of our hangout spot while Grandpa paints. But you can see, again, different options. Good instructions, very easy to follow. And what you wind up with. And a very, very good decal sheet. Remember, we got 10 guys to outfit here, but we have several different options on that one. And then it comes with 2 other little decal sheets, which is really cool. Now it comes with these 10 bases. To give you some idea though, they're smaller than the standard base. And then these are the ones that I got mail order, so you can see, and for whatever reason they're these small bases. I'm assuming it's because of the nature of how these would play in the game. That's the only thing I could guess. Now let's get into the plastic itself. We'll do it this way. Remember, there's 10 figures here. So here I can make out 1, 2, 3, looks like 5 sets, but
There's some optional rifles there. Looks like a shotgun. That's kind of cool. And some good combat knives. That's neat. So there's two of these sprues, two of the exact same. And it looks like we have two of these. We should have our other 5 members on it. But here's a good view of all the weapons. Wow, there's about 15 different weapons here. So yeah, there's all sorts of cool options. And again, you can see how they're laid out on the sprues. Isn't that interesting? You have kind of an interesting shaped sprue. Unlike your Tamiya figures, your dragon figures that just have these rectangular boxes, so to speak, sprue gates, and here they form it around the parts. Don't waste a lot of space. I like that. And of course there's 2 of those. So, and that's it. It gives you kind of a quick look at these Warhammer figures. So 10 figures, you've got a crap ton of decals. You've got a bunch of different options. To me, wow, this is definitely a lot funner than building the 35th scale figures. I'll just say that. Because I like having options. I like having extra parts. So, anyway. Well, thanks for joining us today for this quick one. And we'll see you again soon.